The amazing website that you are seeing in your computer screen is the website that we are going to build today. So hey everyone, this is Kartik, and guys, in this video we are going to build this amazing website from scratch to end with the help of just pure HTML and CSS. So before getting late, let's get straight into our amazing tutorial. But guys, before getting into a tutorial, make sure that you have smashed the subscribe button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram and like this video. So anyways, let's get straight into our amazing tutorial. So guys, we all know first we have to just open our VS Code and close all the files here. And here let's create a file and name it as website, like this website, and inside that we have to create some folders like style. Then inside the website again create a folder, like name it as images, again a folder and name it as Java. Not inside the image, you have to create this inside the website, and here we have to add Java script, like this, nothing fancy here. And normally guys, we have to first of all just do create a file and just do index.html, like this. In this style we have to just create style.css, and in JavaScript we have to create like this script.js. Nothing fancy here guys. Let me close this and let me zoom it for you. So guys, as we discussed that we are going to build this website from the scratch, so let's look at the features and the design of a website. So here you can see we are going to just build the banner page, or you can say the hero page, or you can say the home page. And here you can see a button like this with the amazing hover effect. Then here you can see the nav bar, and here you can see some text, some images, and a button. And the amazing part is when we click on this hamburger icon, it will pop up like this. So guys, this is the main feature of our website. So let's start. So first of all guys, we have to here add our we have to add our boilerplate here. Then here let's add our amazing website tutorial. Then here guys, we have to just do what? We have to just do create a navbar first of all. And guys, from this tutorial you are going to learn so many things, like using of the both HTML, CSS and JavaScript in same project, using some external CSS external CSS properties or something like this. So let's move on. First of all, we have to add class, and I just mean we have to add name navbar, and then class, name it as flex r and container, like this. And after that, here we have to add a h1 and name it as whatever you want. You can name it as your brand name, your own name. In this case we are going to add Codilan because it's a like foundation's name. So here we have to add nav logo, like this. And after that guys, we have to here after the h1 we have to add a div again with the class of flex, like this, flex r and then ham, like this, flex r then ham, because it will our hamburger. Then after that we have to just add again a div and just make it as I just mean just give it a class and name it as flex c, and then name it as menu, like this, nothing fancy again. Here we have to add here let's add a hashtag, so because of that it won't redirect us to the another page. And here let's add like home page and something like this, let's say contact not and contact. Then here we have to add like about us, and after that here let's add what, let's see in our website what we have already added. So let me click on this, and we already added home, news, places, blog and contact. So in our new in our scratch website we are going to just add home, contact us, about, and let's say blog, like this, nothing fancy here. Then guys, we are done with our HTML of our particular code, that is navbar, of a particular section which is navbar. So let's move on to the name, the main. So here let's add main, like this. Here let's add our nav bar, and here let's add our main tag. I mean not main tag, we have to add a comment which is name, that will show the developer that from this lines of codes we are the blocks of code we are making the main page. So guys, here we have to just create a like main tag, and inside that we have to add class with the flex of our container like this. And after that guys, we have to add div dot class, and just name it as what, just name it as flex c, and name it as main test like this. And guys, you will I know you are wondering, hey Kartik, why you're adding flex r, flex c, flex r, flex c again and again, why are you using this? So guys, the main reason behind this, we assign a particular code that are similar in like these blocks of code, and we won't need to write it again and again. That's why it is helpful, and it increase the productivity, but with less efforts. So guys, then we have to add main test, and after that here we have to add a h1, let's say h1, and after that we have to add just like add never stop, what we have just write never stop to, that's it. And here we have to add some classes and some things, so let's add, so here let's add class lg head like this, lg head, let's say. Or then we have to again add h2, actually here let's add h2, and here with the class of let's say mhead, here let's add mhead, and then here let's add code, because we have added that in here like never stop to code. Okay, let's control S to save this. And guys, let me open this with live server, and let's see what our code is looking like. Okay, it is now finished, like the opening of the, like you can see the starting process of the live server. So here you can see guys, this is looking ugly, I know, but now we have to add some things here, like we added never stop to code like this. And after that guys, we have to add a p, and with the class name of let's say para, and let's say here let's add the dummy text here. And after that we have to add a button like this, and here let's add class, let's say btn, and let's say explore like this, nothing fancy here. Control S to save, and let's see. Okay, dummy text and explore button is now here. So guys, after that you will notice in our main website main page, you notice that there's an image, so we have to also add the image. So here we have to after that the button, we have to create again a div and just name it as class, like this, class, where is class, okay, class. And here we have to add flex r like this, then we have to add main image like this. And here let's add img, which is image, and the source. So guys, it depends on you where you save the files. So let me copy and paste the files from the actual thing and the dummy. So I have saved that in my desktop, you can see here. Let me open the thing really quick. So here you can see in here we added which image, we added this one. So let me copy and paste that really quick. Okay guys, I paste the file from that folder to our main folder, and here we have to first of all see the document, I just mean the directories. So first of all we have to get out from this. Okay, actually we don't need to get out from the folder, we have to just add /image, then we have to add our image name. So then guys, in our website you can see the image is now appeared. So guys, we are good to go with our HTML, and guys, now we have to move on to our CSS part, the most amazing part of our tutorial. So here guys, we have to first of all just add the font which you want. And guys, actually and the HTML we have to also add like font awesome icons to use the hamburger. So I will write back after pasting the link to our amazing project. So guys, I am back with the code. So I pasted this line of code. So you have to just go to the Google and type font awesome and copy this link and paste it in your in your website, in your HTML file. So guys, in our CSS we have to first of all we have to add the apostrophe like this, not like this, like this. And here we have to add margin of 0 pixel first of all, and then padding, where's padding of 0 pixel like this. Then we have to add box sizing to border box like this. Then we have to add like font family, let's say Roboto, or let's see which one is better. Let's see this one. And let me, okay, nothing actually happened. Okay, nothing happened because we have to first here import the style tag. So we have to add link CSS, and here we have to add style tag, not like this. We have to first of all go outside the directory. Then here we can see style.css. So here guys, you can see okay, it is quite good. So let's move on to our other part. So first of all guys, we have to add body like this, body. Then we have to add width like this, and let's say 100% like this, 100%. And after that we have to add background, let's say background color to, let's say hashtag 221437 actually. Okay, let's move on to our overflow, let's say overflow x, let's say hidden like this, overflow x hidden. And after that guys, we have to add dot flex r, and let's say display flex like this. Justify content to the center like this, and align items to the center. And here let's add flex direction to row like this. Okay guys, you can see the differences. You can see the differences before the previous and after. So here you can see guys, this is our actual and this is how it looks. So guys, actually I think that the actual background color is different, so we will fix that later. First of all, we have to move on to a next. Okay, why it is opening? Okay, move on to the next part. And in the next part we have to just add dot flex c is equal to display flex like this, display flex. And after that we have to add like this. After that we have to add justify content to the center like this. Then align item to the center, flex direction column like this, flex direction column like this. And after that here you can see like this, something like this. So guys, now after that we have to add dot container, and we have to add width like this, width of 100%. And after that we have to add padding of 10 pixel like this. Then background color, let's say hashtag 001721, let's say this. And after that we have to add color like this, color hashtag FFF, which is white. And after that, let's say guys, let's add here nav like this, nav, not like this, not like here. We have to add nav. Then we have to add justify content space between. And let's say guys here important. Then we have to add width of 100%. And then we have to add height of, where is height of 10 vh. Then here we have to add position position to, let's say, relative. And now let's control S to save, and let's see what will the changes. So guys, here you can see our website is looking something like this, a little bit similar to the actual website. And now let's move on to our next part. And guys, here let's add here dot nav, let's say nav logo. First of all, nav logo text transform. Where's text transform? Okay, text transform, and let's say uppercase, like this, uppercase. Let's say letter spacing, and let's say 1 pixel, like this. And here let's set font size, and let's say 19 pixel, I think 19 pixel. Otherwise we will, if it too small or too large, we will change it. So here let's add, let's say the hamburger, let's add ham, and then let's add background URL. Where is background? Background, not like this, background URL. Where is background URL? Okay, background URL, like this. And here guys, let's add HTTPS, and let's say here i.ibb, let's say like this. Then we have to add .co, then we have to add hrefvrcx/menu, like this, menu.png, like this guys. And here let's see, okay, nothing is here, so let's move on and it will be appear. So here guys, now after that we have to add width, like this, width, and let's say width of 25 pixels, let's say like this. Then height of, where is height? Okay, then height of, let's say 20 pixels, like this. Then background position to the center, where center? Okay, background position to the center, like this guys. Then here we have to add background, like this, background size, and let's say background size to cover, like this, and background size to cover, and background repeat, let's say background repeat, let's say, okay, background, let's say like this, background repeat. And here let's add no repeat, right? Okay, then here we have to add cursor pointer, like this. Where's pointer? Okay, here it is, pointer. Then guys, here we have to add ham. Let's see what happens to a site. Okay, now guys, you can see it is visible. So guys, now we have to add ham active, like this. And here we have to add something like this, we have to do something like this. Then background URL. Okay, no, we have to do something like this. Okay, it's right. Let's say background URL. First of all, let's say HTTPS, and here let's say like this, i.ibb. Let's similar to this, and then we have to add CO, then we have to add /rt, then we have to add 3, like this, hy, like this, bh/close.png, like this. And here guys, after that we have to add some more things, like first of all, let me copy these 3, and let's do not copy, let's do background repeat, where it is, background repeat, like this, background repeat, no repeat. Then after that we have to add background size, let's say 25 pixel, that background position to center, and cursor is equal to pointer. Background position to the center, let's say first of all, not calc, center. Then here we have to add cursor to the pointer, okay. So let's see here guys, you can see something like this. And after that guys, here we have to add menu, like this. Where's menu? We have to add menu. Let me scroll up. Okay, nothing there. Let's add menu, and after that let's say position to absolute, like this. And then we have to add top, top to 10 YH like this. Then we have to add border uh, border radius, where's radius, okay, border radius, and let's say border radius to 10 pixels, otherwise it will more curvy. And then we have to add width, then guys we have to add 90%, let's say 90%, and after that we have to add height, where's height of, let's say 79%, I think 79 VH I think. Then we have to add padding like this, padding to 10 or let's say 30 pixels like this, 30 pixels. Then we have to add background color to white, not wheat, white, like this. And guys after that we have to add, let's say gap, let's add gap, and let's say 10 pixels by 0 pixels like this. Then we have to add transform, let's say transform, and we have to add translate, and then we have to add translate X like this. Let's say translate this transform, translate X like this, translate X 120% like this. After that we have to add opacity, okay, here we have to add opacity like this, opacity of 0. Then transition, let's say transition all, here let's add 0.3 seconds, let's say cubic, let's say let's add something like this, okay, like this. And after that we have to add 1, then minus, where's minus 0, then minus 0.1, then we have to add 0, then we have to add 1 point, let's say 36 like this. Control S to save, and let's see. Okay guys, it's now much similar to our actual website. You can see all the things are aligned to their positions. And then guys we have to do, and guys after doing this we have to here add what, we have to add dot menu like this, and here let's say menu dot on like this. And here after that we have to add opacity of 1, let's say, and transform, and let's say translate to Z of 0%, let's say transform to Z of 0% like this. And after that we have to add dot menu A, which is anchor tag. Here we have to add text decoration to none like this, text decoration to none. Then color of them, let's say hashtag 001721 I think. Then after that guys we have to add font size, where is font size, here we have to add, let's say 35 pixel. And and after that we have to add transition, which is the animation, you can say AK animation. We have to add all 0, let's say 0.2 seconds linear like this. After that guys we have to add dot menu like this, menu A hover like this. And after that we have to add transform, let's say translate Z, where it is, translate Z, actually I just mean X, translate X to 10 pixels like this. So guys now we are good with our menus, so let's see. So actually guys then we have to add here, we have to do what, we have to do main, where it is dot main, not dot main, let's say main actually, here let's say main. And after that guys we have to add width of let's say 100% like this. And height of let's say 80 VH I think so, 80 VH is, I think so 80 VH is perfect. Then we have to add dot main image like this, main image, let's say display none like this. And after that dot main image like this, and let's say width of 300 pixels width of 300 pixel like this, right? Then we have to add LG. Then here we have to add head like this. Then here we have to add font size of, let's say, 20 pixel. And after it, let's say font family of let's say Roboto, or let's copy from the upper here. Let's copy font family and paste it right here. Font family is equal to whatever you want. Then after that we have to add letter spacing, and here let's say 1 pixel like this. And here let's add text transform like this. Text transform, let's say uppercase. And after that we have to add, let's say, color of yellow like this. And here you can see something like this. And guys, after that we have to just add let's say dot m head. First of all, m head like this. And here let's add font size of 19 pixel. Let's say font family of same. Let me paste it here. Font family of same. Then here let's add letter spacing, let's say to 1 pixel. Then text transform to uppercase, something like this. Then we have to add dot para like this. Para font size of 16 pixel, margin. Okay, let me remove one of this from here. And again an error, what it is saying. Okay, margin, we have to add margin of 20 pixel like this, and 0 pixel. Then we have to add text align. Where is text align? Why it is not showing? Okay, let me add semicolon. Then we have to add text align to the center like this. Then we have to add font family, let's say again the same font family. And after that we have to add max width of let's say 550 pixels. I think it's perfect. Then we have to add btn. Then we have to add border none. And guys, it's btn, not bts. So let's add btn none like this here. Then guys, after that we have to add here okay, I do some syntax error, so let me fix this. Okay, here we have to add outline like this. Outline of none like this. And after that let's say padding of let's say 10 pixel and 12 pixel, 10 pixel and 12 pixel like this. Padding of 10 pixel and 12 pixel. Font size to, let's say, 17 pixel. Font size to 17 pixel. Then text transform, let's say text transform to uppercase, I think so. Then to uppercase. And after that guys, let's say text transform to uppercase. And let's say letter spacing to 2 pixel. Let's add letter spacing to 2 pixel like this, 2 pixel. Then we have to add font weight like this. Font weight 600. Then after that we have to add cursor to the pointer. Then cursor to the pointer. After that we have to add color of let's say hashtag let's say what 001721. And after that guys, we have to add border like this. Border 1 pixel, something like this. Then we have to add solid transparent, something like this. After that we have to add transition, let's say transition all 0.14 seconds. Then we have to add linear, something like this. And guys, now let's say btn. Let's see how it is looking. So okay guys, here you can see it is looking something like this. So guys, after that we have to here add dot btn hover like this. Dot btn hover, and let's say background color. Let's say background color to transparent. I'm sorry. Transparent. Then we have to add color of let's say hashtag triple F like this. Then we have to add border, like this border to 1 pixel, and let's say solid white, I think solid white. And then let's see in our here, okay, it's solid white, so let's add solid white here, hashtag solid, I just mean 1 pixel solid, hashtag triple F, which means white. Then we have to add font weight of let's say 500. And guys, after that guys, we have to just do create the app.js, and we have to do like const ham is equal to document dot query selector dot ham. Then we have to add const menu is equal to document dot query selector dot menu. Then ham dot add event listener click, then runs a function which says that ham is equal to class list, and then toggle the active, and same with the toggle the on. So guys, that's it. And then we are and the website will appear something like this. So guys, I hope you understand this like project, this amazing website project, and I hope you learn much and more things from this. So guys, I hope you understand this, and in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about more. So for that, bye bye, see you later, and take care.